Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video of my Thompson. I hope you guys will like it and make sure to subscribe and like. Smash that like button. Crush it. Like a giant robot. From Origins. Crush it! I mean it, crush it! Where's my Thompson?
Guys, all it is a nerf stripe with some attachments on it. It's supposed to be like from Origins and Mob of the Dead, the M1927. It is a 45 ACP shooting drum mag foregrip kind of gun, submachine gun. But it's the same thing. I don't know why I'm looking at myself. Okay. See, so he has it right now. It's over hundreds of dollars worth of it.
There it is. It's all of it.
I want to show you. Well, guess what? The gun that comes with this attachment. So that foregrip right here.
I use this foregrip for the part where you hold it, and I use the drum mag for
all together. That's like 15, 30, 30. So 75 plus 80. What's 75 plus 80? Minus 25. 100. So wait, 80. 120.
I use this foregrip for the
150. Guys, this is like $190 worth of a Nerf gun just for all of this together.
And
for the foregrip, for the blaster, for the stock, for the barrel, and for the.
So you put it on the gun, and I use this ammo part. Stores ammo. For the back piece.
Oh, it's also adjustable. If you guys couldn't tell.
Yeah. And here's the drum mag. We used it from another gun from
the gun that it came with was like $80.
And we got the barrel.
And that's the silencer from the Spectre. Rev 5 or something.
And then here is
one of the newer margeless stripes.
Yeah, this is the stripe part. That's the stripe gun. And
we have two stripes actually. He has the modulus, and I get the elite orange.
I hope you guys liked our video. I'll show you this one again.
Yeah, he's going to show you the full assembled. And in the comments down below, if you guys have any Nerf guns, please tell us what you guys have.
Because if you have all of these attachments, you could actually build one yourself.
And hey, can you move the camera really quick because I want to show them the ring. We have the Nerf regulator select fire 3-round burst, semi-automatic, and full auto. It comes with so many attachments. It's crazy. Soon we'll give you we'll set up an entire, our entire bedroom will become like a gun armory soon. Okay, yeah. We'll do that soon. Like we'll set up the rifles, the Adventure Force, the Nerf stripes, everything.
Yeah.
It's gonna be lit, bro. Please subscribe though, and yeah, that tour.
Here is the Thompson all put together. We have the barrel, we have the stocking. Yeah. Hey, do you guys like the video? Wait, what? What? I hope you guys like